Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by assembling precise ingredients for a balanced homemade XO sauce. Use 6 dried scallops, 1/2 cup dried shrimp, and 1/4 cup diced Jinhua ham for strong umami. Finely mince 6 garlic cloves, 6 shallots, and 6 fresh red chilies. Reserve 3 tablespoon chili flakes for texture. Measure 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoon light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sugar so everything is ready. Rehydrate the scallops in warm water for 20 minutes, then shred them finely. Drain the shrimp thoroughly and pat dry before cooking. Heat 1/2 cup vegetable oil in a medium pan over low heat and render 1/4 cup diced Jinhua ham for 3 to 4 minutes until fragrant and slightly crisp. Add the minced garlic, shallots, and chilies and continue frying gently to remove rawness without burning. Stir in shredded scallops and 1/2 cup dried shrimp, frying 20 to 25 minutes until the mixture is deeply golden and crisped. Stir in 2 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 3 tablespoon chili flakes, then turn off heat and let flavors marry for 2 minutes. Allow the finished XO sauce to cool to room temperature before transferring it into sterilized jars. This preserves flavor and prevents condensation. Seal jars tightly and refrigerate. Properly stored, homemade XO sauce will keep up to 6 months, and you can freeze portions for longer storage. Use about 1 tablespoon per serving to enhance noodles, fried rice, steamed fish, or simple stir-fried greens, adjusting to taste. Reheat gently in a pan or short bursts in a microwave. Do not boil the sauce after bottling to maintain its crisped ingredients and aroma.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.